Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into Blue Notary and verifying your identity. This is required to meet legal standards. Once done, upload the document in PDF and confirm signer details so the session flows without pauses. Make sure your camera and microphone work and grant browser permissions, otherwise the remote step will fail. Start the notarization session now, choose remote or in person, and invite signers by email. This immediate action avoids back-and-forth delays and preserves a clear. You join the live video session and present your ID close to the camera so the notary can inspect it. Clarity speeds verification. Then follow prompts. State your name for the oath, confirm understanding, and indicate where to sign. This lets the notary attest correctly. If witnesses are required, add them per instructions, and when all signatures are in place, apply the digital or electronic signature and lock the document to prevent changes. Doing these steps precisely ensures a valid notarization. You finish by downloading the notarized PDF and the notarial certificate, save backups in a secure location, and change permissions as needed. Then verify the notary block, timestamp, and the encrypted audit trail to confirm legal compliance and chain of custody. If something goes wrong, first refresh your browser and reconnect. If the video link or signature fails, restart the session and retain the session ID. If issues persist, contact Blue Notary support with the session ID so they can reissue or correct the record.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.